Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to do this simple yet sparkly snowflakes nail art. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. At first, I'm applying base coat to make my manicure long lasting. Then I'm applying nail tape over my nail bed and I'm applying it about 1/3 down from my cuticle area. I'm applying a red glitter polish at the top part of my nail, and then I'm going to apply two different types of glitter nail polish at the bottom part of my nail. One is crystal glitter polish and another one is chunky glitter polish. If you want, you can stop your manicure here by sealing your manicure with a glossy top coat just like I did in my previous video, but I'm going to take a step further by doing stamping nail art. I'm stamping snowflakes using two different stamping plates, and then I am adding red dots with that same red polish around my snowflakes. I have also added golden yellow stripes on my nails, but later I realized that I forgot to record it, and I sincerely apologize for my mistake. Last but not least, I am finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.